Hello, little knowledge seekers. Welcome to our channel full of fun and learning. Stay tuned! Have you ever wondered how glass is made? Glass is all around us. Windows, phones, cups, and more. But how is it actually made? Glass starts with just 3 simple ingredients: sand, soda ash, and limestone. Special clean sand is collected from nature. It's the main ingredient in glass. Big machines load the sand and carry it to the factory for processing. Soda ash and limestone are also delivered and stored until it's time to mix. Did you know? The clearest glass is made from white quartz sand. At the factory, all 3 ingredients are poured into giant industrial mixers. The powders are measured carefully to get the perfect recipe every time. Sometimes, crushed recycled glass is added to help it melt faster. The powder mix is then dropped into a massive furnace. Inside, the heat rises to over 1,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. At this temperature, the powder melts into glowing, molten glass. Did you know? Glass isn't a true solid or liquid, it's something in between. The molten glass is stirred gently to remove air bubbles. Impurities float to the top and are skimmed off to make it perfectly clear. Now the glowing liquid is smooth and ready for shaping. First, the glass flows slowly toward shaping machines. Glass blowers use long pipes to puff air into the molten glass. Molten glass slowly flows onto a wide metal surface in a special machine. Large rollers press the hot glass into a thin, perfectly smooth sheet. Molten glass is also poured into molds to create solid shapes. As it cools slightly, the solid glass is removed from the mold. The glass now enters a long oven where it cools down slowly. This process is called annealing. It prevents cracks and stress inside. Later, the cooled glass exits the oven, clear and strong. To make colorful glass, workers add metal powders to the hot mixture. Cobalt makes glass blue, gold makes it red, and iron turns it green. And many colors are possible. These colored glasses are used to make stained glass windows and art. In bottle making, molten glass is poured into metal bottle molds. Several molds are arranged around an injector pipe for fast filling. Air is blown inside the hot glass to expand it like a balloon. Once shaped, bottles are gently lifted out of their molds. The bottles cool slowly on a moving conveyor belt. Each bottle passes under lights and sensors for quality checks. Finally, perfect bottles are packed neatly into cardboard trays. Now let's cut and shape larger pieces of glass. A robotic arm rolls over the glass and scores a straight line. The sheet is then snapped cleanly along the score. The edges are polished so they're safe and smooth to touch. Some types of glass must be extra strong to handle pressure or impact. That's why only tempered glass is used. It's made to stay tough and safe. It goes through a special tempering process: heat, and then sudden cooling. This makes the glass up to 5 times stronger than normal. Regular glass breaks into sharp shards when it cracks. But tempered glass breaks into tiny, safer pieces. Let's take a quick look at how mirrors are made. A thin layer of metal is sprayed onto one side of the glass. It's then cured in a tunnel and dried carefully. Robotic arms place each mirror onto padded surfaces for packing. There are many types of glass, each made for different jobs. Float glass is smooth and used in windows and mirrors. Tempered glass is strong and used for phones and windshields. Fiberglass is light and strong, great for boats and insulation. Optical fiber is super thin glass used to carry internet signals. Did you know? Optical fiber sends data at the speed of light. Glass is all around us, on tables, in windows, and in the things we use every day. Glass lenses help us see faraway stars with powerful telescopes. Bulletproof glass is made by stacking thick glass sheets with special layers between. Each layer is carefully added to stop cracks from spreading when something hits it. Fun fact: the world's largest curved glass structure is Apple's headquarters in California. Some buildings use huge sheets of glass to look modern and let in natural light. We always recycle old glass jars and bottles instead of throwing them away. All the collected glass gets sorted by type and sent to be cleaned. After cleaning, the glass is taken to a furnace to be melted down. In the furnace, the glass turns into bright orange liquid ready for shaping. From that glowing melt, new bottles are formed, ready for a fresh new life. Ancient Egyptians used sand to craft early glass bowls. Later, Romans invented glass blowing to shape glass faster. Today's factories use machines to make glass quickly and cleanly. People have been making glass for thousands of years. Now you know how simple sand becomes beautiful glass. Glass surrounds us, shaping a world that's bright, modern, and full of light. Did you enjoy this video? Like, comment what would you like to see next, and subscribe for more awesome content.